Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing recent messages. Make sure your WhatsApp business backup ran or that important chats are visible. Once done, open the chat you want to pause notifications for so you can confirm local state. Next, swipe down to reveal quick settings and locate the airplane mode icon. This cuts all cellular and Wi-Fi connections so WhatsApp can't send or receive. Do this now. It's the fastest way to simulate offline status. You activate airplane mode and then wait a few seconds so your phone fully disconnects. That prevents partial network behavior. After toggling, return to WhatsApp business and look at message ticks. New sends won't show double ticks because delivery is blocked. To confirm, have someone send you a test message or use another device. Seeing single ticks or no push notification proves you're offline. Make sure to observe both chat behavior and the system's status bar icons. When you're ready to go back online, turn airplane mode off and open WhatsApp business to let it sync. The app will upload and download queued messages. If messages don't appear, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data are enabled, then force close and reopen the app to prompt a refresh. If that fails, restart your phone and verify app network permissions. This fixes most lingering sync problems. One troubleshooting tip: if a single chat still lags, clear its cache or reopen the conversation to trigger a manual sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.